Tag! You're it, Rosie! Oh! Tag! Birdie! Oh no! It's hurt its wing, Rosie! Birdie, hurt? We need to get it to Mommy. Mommy! Daddy! This baby bird hurt its wing!
Oh, dear. It has a twig stuck in its wing. We'll need to get that out. There, that should do it, but we'll need to take care of it until it can fly again.
Let's make up a bed so it can rest while its wing heals.
There, Birdie. Now you'll be comfy while your wing gets better. Wing get better! Morning, Birdie. Oh, I'm hungry. And you must be hungry, too. Wait here. I'll get you something for breakfast.
Hey, Caillou, what you looking for?
Birdie's hungry, Daddy. I need to bring him some food.
You've got to be more careful, Caillou, or you could really hurt yourself.
Sorry, Daddy.
Oh, Caillou, birds do eat worms, but not gummy worms. But we don't have any real worms, so Birdie can eat some of these seeds.
Here you go, Birdie. Daddy says you might like sunflower seeds. Hey, that tickles.
It looks like Birdie is all better. You've done a really good job looking after him, Caillou.
Birdie, better. Careful, Rosie. Birdie is small, so we have to be gentle.
That's right, Caillou. We need to take extra care with small animals like Birdie, or we might accidentally hurt them. But I think it's time for Birdie to go back to his nest now.
Hey, that's my head, not your nest. I'll miss you, Birdie. Lots. Good luck, Birdie!
Okay, class, it's almost time for the weekend. So that means it's time to choose who gets to take home the class pet, Gerald. Now, who wants to take him home?
Me!
Caillou, why don't you take Gerald today?
So I get to feed him and play with him, and then tomorrow he gets to run around in his ball. Rise and shine, sleepyhead! It's breakfast time! Come on! Mommy says you can play in your ball today.
Caillou, Leo's here.
Coming, Mommy! Wait here, Gerald. Hey, Caillou. Hey, Leo. You want to come and see Gerald? I was just about to take him outside. Sure. So he needs to get some exercise, so I put him in his ball. Oh, no! What's wrong, Caillou? Where's Gerald? I left him here, and now he's gone. Mommy, I left Gerald in his ball, and he's disappeared.
Don't worry, Caillou. We'll find him.
Here, Gerald. Here, Gerald. Aha! Oh, I'm never going to find him. Gilbert! There you are! And before we take him home, I have to pack up all of Gerald's food and his favorite toys in my backpack. Oh, and his ball. Bye, Mommy.
Bye, Caillou. Tell Gerald I say hello.
Good morning, Gerald. Are you excited to come home with me today? I've made you a special area in my room by my bed. It's really nice and warm, and we can play all weekend in. Gerald? Are you still sleeping? It's time for school. Gerald? It's time to come out. Oh no! Gerald's gone! Gerald? Gerald! Gerald, come out!
Good morning, class. Let's all take our places for the... Oh, Caillou! What are you doing over there?
Gerald's missing.
Why don't you take your seat, Caillou, and I'll explain. All right, class. As you've realized already, Gerald isn't here anymore.
Where is he?
Gerald was a very happy hamster, but he was also very old. So I'm afraid last night, while he was sleeping, he died.
Died?
Yes, but he had a very long life and loved you all very much.
But it was my turn to bring him home. Don't worry, Caillou. You can just take him when he comes back.
Well, Leo, I'm sorry, but Gerald won't be coming back. When someone dies, they don't come back. So I'm afraid we won't see Gerald again.
I'm sorry about Gerald, Caillou. He had a good and happy life.
I know, but I'm really going to miss him.
Not hungry, Caillou? Not even for some ice cream?
Ice cream! No thanks. Can I be excused, please?
Ah, of course.
Mind if I join you? I'm sorry about Gerald, Caillou. I know he was your friend. But do you know what else I know? That you were his friend. You made him very happy. And neither of you will ever forget that.
But I won't get to see him or play with him or...
I know. But you'll always have the memories you shared. And good memories like those, well, they last forever. I think Gilbert's saying he'll play with you if you want.
Thanks, Gilbert.
Today, class, you can all draw anything you want, but it has to be something that makes you really happy.
I decided to draw Gerald because he was my friend. He's gone now, and we won't see him again, which is really sad. So I drew my favorite memory of him. My daddy says memories are forever. So now I'll always be able to look at this picture and remember Gerald and feel happy. Goodbye, Gerald.